So why does my test bench with an AMD Athlon 3000G budget processor have a Be Quiet Dark Rock Pro 4 air cooler on it? Before I can answer that question, I need to explain how I got this air cooler, an instant story on what not to do when building your first PC. A friend asked for my help when he built his first PC last summer. I wasn't surprised that his first PC build was a high-end system. He was a big fan of Robotech on YouTube. Robotech and other tech YouTubers make building PCs look easy because they built PCs for use. Building a high-end system is not the same as building an entry-level system. But even Superman got stumped when building his first PC because it was a high-end system. Unlike my friend, Superman took the time to read the manuals. I could have built my friend's PC in 3 hours. I built, repaired, and disassembled PCs for over 25 years. From the hopeful look that he gave me, he really wanted me to build his PC. He didn't ask, I didn't volunteer. My friend originally wanted to get the Arctic Liquid Freezer 2 all-in-one 280mm cooler. He changed his mind after spending $150 on Be Quiet Silent Wings 240mm fans. He was so impressed with the reviews that he went with the Be Quiet Dark Pro 4 air cooler instead. After installing the air cooler, he ran into 3 unforeseen problems. He thought using the extra long screwdriver that Be Quiet provided to screw down the air cooler was a pain in the ass. That shouldn't be surprising with a massive heatsink resting on top of a tiny cold plate. A big air cooler has more surface space to dissipate the heat as fast as possible from the processor. A big air cooler also blocks all the RGB lights on the motherboard like a black hole. The air cooler ran hotter than it should have, with only 1mm of clearance separating the back plate of the Asus ROG Strix 2070 video card from the air cooler. Heat transfer between the two devices. When I drop in my smaller Gigabyte 1050 Ti mini video card, the air cooler dropped 4 degrees Celsius in temperature. Something had to go, and it wasn't the oversized video card. My friend got the Arctic Liquid Freezer 2 AIO 280mm cooler that he should have gotten in the first place. Installing the AIO was more straightforward than installing the air cooler. The small cold plate opened the space around the processor for the RGB lights to shine and the video card to radiate heat freely. I was planning to get the Arctic Liquid Freezer 2 240mm AIO cooler for my editing PC. After I saw how thick the radiator was, I doubted I could fit it inside my case. A few months later, Be Quiet announced the PureLoop AIO cooler. I got the 240mm version when it came out last October. If you haven't seen my videos with the PureLoop AIO, a link to the playlist is in the description below. As for the air cooler, my friend gave it to me for putting up with his frustrations as he built his first PC. The Be Quiet Dark Rock Pro 4 wasn't a bad air cooler. My friend didn't consider how his last-minute change would affect his PC build. So why does my test bench have the air cooler on it? I don't have a wide enough case to put the air cooler into. The air cooler is 163mm tall. To open the air test bench at the only place to install it. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to see more videos like this. Thank you for watching.